Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying your BMW's head unit and firmware. This determines the coding path. Once done, gather hardware: a USB stick, OBD2 cable, and a laptop with the required SDKs installed. Connect to the vehicle via OBD2 and enable developer mode or diagnostics port. Do this now. You'll extract the current NBT/ID7 configuration so you can modify CarPlay flags. Make sure to back up the original configuration file to the USB or cloud before editing. You now edit the extracted configuration. Toggle CarPlay enable flags, set the correct protocol versions, and adjust USB mapping so the phone routes to the head unit. Next, sign or package the modified files to match existing checksums and entitlements. Unsigned files will be rejected. After packaging, push the update using the BMW flashing tool while the car is awake and stable. Watch for error codes. If the tool returns OK codes, proceed to a soft reboot of the head unit to apply changes. You finish by validating functionality. Pair a phone wired and wireless, confirm audio routing, microphone operation, and screen touch responsiveness. If the head unit fails to boot or CarPlay won't start, restore the original backup immediately and consult the flashing logs for specific error codes. If problems persist, reset USB port mappings, re-sign the modified package, and ensure both head unit firmware and phone iOS are on supported versions. One tip: always check checksum mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.